Na mwanjwa omorigererie Francis Mtonyi niko agendete kurwa amegerio gochia ase ababwatani ao goba muno kurwa ase cukuru chia Obobundi ime ye county ya Kisii obwo bogendete koro kigose bogendete gosomigwa igoro yobonchereria bokoboke nikinyira ao baranyare koba bakwegendereria no murubiri oyo nigo ogosirwa amone kiombe kyo bokoreri bwense ngima gose International Labour Organization.
The SYB program ni program ya kutoka ILO ambayo inasaidia watu kuanzisha biashara. Reason tumefanya hii training hapa Kisii ni ya kwamba watu wengi wanapitia vocational training colleges, wanafunzwa mambo ya kususa, mambo ya carpentry, mambo ya masonry. Tunataka watu wasitafute kazi but ila wanaweza hata anzisha kazi zao. So tumefunza instructors 20 kutoka hapa Kisii County ili waweze wale trainees wanafunza huko kwa vocational training colleges waweze kujiajiri. Wakimaliza kwa mfano ususi wanaweza anza salon zao, wakimaliza masonry ama carpentry wanaweza anza biashara zao. Na sio hapa Kisii peke yake, wanaweza anza hizo biashara all over the country. So tumekuwa na instructors 20 ambao wamehitimu siku ya leo ambao watasupport Kisii County create jobs, and wakicreate jobs wale vijana wataweza kujiajiri na wataweza kuajiri watu wengine.
Now able to know how to generate a business idea, starting up a business and helping entrepreneurs to improve their own businesses. We will proceed to the VTCs to have a training for the VTC instructors. We are expected to train 100 trainees by the end of December.
We are going to move forward to training others because the information or the training that we have received is very vital to our lives and to the youths in the ground. So we thank you all the participants who have participated and the ILO at large. We know that you are going to continue moving with us so that we can be able to train the youths at the ground.
We are working with Kisii County to do this, and we have so many other projects that we are doing together with Kisii County, this just being one of them. We have already trained our sub-county admins in Kisii, we have trained our chiefs, we have trained the prosecution department, and so this is just the tip of the iceberg. We are happy to do this. The Axel project has 4 technical spaces. Livelihoods is one of them. OSH is occupational safety and health. We are also looking at decent transition to decent jobs by the youth, space that this program is also going to impact. Culture is the backbone of Kenya.
Na mwanjo murigereri gukorera nigo igati ye bamenyi ime yense ya America bagendete gukora ukurubikana chinsemo ao ime yense yo barende kwamereria ibitamukiro ao bimurayi bwense yo omoske Donald Trump